friend! Today we're learning the letter L. L has a special sound. Ol, ol, ol. L. Ol, ol, ol. L. L is for lemon. Ol, ol, lemon. Say it with me now. Ol, ol, lemon. L is also for lollipop. Ol, ol, lollipop. Can you try now? Ol, ol, lollipop. Great job. Last one for today. L is also for lynx. Ol, ol, lynx. It's your turn now. Ol, ol, lynx. Great job learning the letter L today. Thanks for joining me in the Calm Little Corner. I'll see you again next time. Bye!